Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the events plan for today is April 27, Thursday. At 6 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by a medium impact news, and again at 7:30 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So in the late evening we can expect trade volume to increase in gold US dollar currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and we already know that this zone between 2070 to 2040 is still acting as a very strong resistance zone, and from this resistance zone we have noticed the price action to trend on the bearish side retracement, and again I have drawn a bullish channel pattern on the trend line over here, and again we are noticing the price action to be trading above this trend line or the support line. So although the price action is in a bearish side retracement, only when the price action breaks this support line or the trend line we can expect a further continuation of the bearish side retracement, and if the price doesn't manage to break this trend line, we can expect the price action to again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So wait for the price action to break the previous high, which was around 2012 or 2015, in order to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement trade, or wait for the price action to break the trend line or the support line in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trend reversal trade in daily time frame. And only when the price action breaks this resistance zone we can expect a fresh bullish trend to start in daily time frame. So the values within these black color boxes are going to be the resistance levels and the support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is trading within the resistance level of 2011. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 2011, next level of resistance is going to be around 2040 and 2070. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the trend line or the support line of the bullish channel pattern, next level of support is going to be around 1972, 1941, 1910 and 1865. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we are noticing the price action to be trading within a resistance level of 2011 and support level of 1972 on a sideways price action. And we can expect a directional momentum to start once the price action breaks the previous high, which is going to be around 2011 on the bullish side, or wait for the price action to break the support level of 1972, after which we can expect a bearish side directional trend to start in 4 hours time frame. So I have drawn a resistance line over here where we are noticing the price action to respect this resistance line, and it is still consolidating within this resistance line and the support line from the bullish channel pattern in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and again when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we can notice that it is still consolidating within this support line and the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, and it is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, which means that there is no direction in the market. So wait for the price action to give a direction breakout from this consolidation on the bullish side, which means that it has to break the previous high, which is going to be around 2011, in order to freshly enter on the bullish side trade, or wait for the price action to give a breakout from the previous low, which is going to be around 1972, in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. And looking at the past price action, it was on a bearish trend, then it started consolidating within this resistance line and the support line, and there are more chances for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side since it was on a bearish trend earlier. But again, I would recommend you to wait for the confirmation on the breakout before entering on a directional trade in gold. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the support levels and the resistance levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1987 and resistance level of 2000. And if the bearish side retracement continues, breaking this previous support level of 1987, next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or support line from the daily time frame. Once its support line is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1970, 1922, 1873 and 1843, which means that it is giving a directional breakout on the bearish side from this symmetric triangle pattern consolidation. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the previous high of 2000 and continues its bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 2010, and also it will be breaking the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame on the bullish side, and next level of resistance is going to be around 2019, 2024, 2030, 2037 and 2050. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and every time the price action takes this support line of the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again, we have noticed the price action to bounce back from the resistance line of the 4 hours time frame on the bearish side retracement. So it is trading within a very strong support line and the resistance line in the 30 minutes time frame. Currently, the price action is in a bearish side retracement. Wait for the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, where you can take a bullish side retracement trade in 30 minutes time frame. As long as the price action is trading within this resistance line and the support line, we can expect a range bound market to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Only when the candles close above this resistance line or the trend line, we can consider it as a breakout. As long as the price action is testing this resistance line and making a trend reversal, it is not a breakout. It is taking the liquidity available at this area. It is hitting all the stop losses put here in order to make a trend reversal on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So currently the price action is trading within the resistance level of 1992 and support level of 1984. And if the price action continues its bearish side retracement, breaking this support level of 1984, next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or support line from the daily time frame. Once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1977 and 1972. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support on the bullish channel pattern support line and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1984, 1992, 1997, 2000, 2005, 2011, 2018, 2027 and 2039 or 40. So to summarize, in the higher time frame, we are noticing the price action to be moving on a sideways momentum, trading between the higher time frame resistance level of 2013 or 2015 and support level of 1973. Whereas in the lower time frame, we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within a symmetric triangle pattern. Once the price action makes a directional breakout in the lower time frame, we can expect the directional trend to start in higher time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.